The third one and last process of CRUD operation is delete operation, guys. So welcome back to the Help for Good channel. And right now, this is the third part, last video of your CRUD operation. We have already seen that how to create, read a data in first part of the video. In second part, we have seen that how to update a data record wise, particularly ID wise, right? And third is basically delete. Delete operation is very much simple. Again, the process is same as like a updation process. Here we have a delete column, as you can see. Okay, and here we have all the IDs because of result.html page. If we have a look of result.html page, so here you can see that I have a one particular row for edit and another one particular table data I have created for the delete operation. Okay, and I have created a different URL, delete. This URL name is delete, and this URL will take the ID of particular record. Okay, particular record, because here I am showing the ID. I.id is basically means this ID column 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, and if I click on any ID, so this ID is going to be passed through this URL. Along with this URL, it will travel through the urls.py. Here, delete URL carrying the ID, okay, for particular one record, for particular one object. And definitely here we are calling a delete data. So delete data, we have a function in views.py file. So here in this file, we have a delete data, this function. Here what we are doing the same things. The ID which are coming from a result.html page through a URLs, through along with the delete URLs. So here we are accepting that ID into this parameter ID. ID is our parameter name, and this ID is our column name. So left hand side is, we can say that is our column name. This is our variable parameter name. So if both the ID will match, then definitely we'll get an object. We will get an object for the particular record, for the particular data. Okay, particular one record. So it will return the ID of the matching object, and it will store inside a del data. Now here we are just calling a del data dot delete function. What it will do, delete function will delete the record from the database. It will not only delete data from your table, it will delete the data from your database, from your table. Okay, so that row completely get removed. Okay, and then again, if you call question.object.all function, so the rest of the records after delete operation, the rest of the records which is present in your database, it will get retrieved and stored in your read obj object. And we are again sending a read obj object as a key and value pair on result.html. So let's have a look of this operation. If I click, suppose I want to click and I want to delete the ID number 9. Okay, that means record number 9. Okay, so you can see my mouse over. Okay, I just click on it and you can see this record has been deleted immediately. How? You can see the ID which was passed through the delete URL, that is the 9. Okay, so in result.html, this 9, this ID was processed through the using delete URL, and in urls.py file, it is traveling through the urls.py file through this path, through this URL, and accessing the delete data function. In delete data function, we are getting that ID in this particular parameter. Then we are matching with our existing column ID with this ID. If both ID will match, then we'll get an object, matching object, and this will delete the, we can call the delete function to delete the particular record. Okay, so question.object.all, again we are retrieving and we are showing that what is going on. Okay, so this is the entire operation, guys. Okay, so this is the delete operation. You guys have to just pause the videos, and then you have to watch the entire code. You have to look the entire code. Okay, and if still you guys are facing any kind of issue, you can drop your message in the comment box. I will definitely give you the reply. Okay, thank you. We'll see you in the next kind of fantastic session. Okay, bye bye.